Lord, thank you for sunshine.
Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Yeah.
Oh, thank you for
Forever.
for everything.
3 plus 1. Huh? 3 plus 1. So easy 4. I'm checking the easy. 4 plus 9. 4 plus blank equals 9. What is it? 4. 9 plus 9. Bruh, that's so easy. 18. Yeah, I know. It's 18. I already know it's 18.
Hmm.
This game is so easy. But I have a addition like a notebook. You didn't buy? Tell your mom you didn't because buy this. Why? Because I have that. Like we're the same. Just like mine. Oh, I see. Subtraction, multiplication. I don't like multiplication. I like subtraction. Like only minus. Like only at the house. 1 plus blank equals 2. 2. 3. 3. 1 plus blank equals 2. 1, 2, 1. Stop it.
Kakit na yun.
Stop it. Huh? 6 plus 8.
Ew, it's just knocking. Do not disturb
5
him.
plus 5. 10? I'm just guessing a minute. 2 plus 2. Easy. 4. Joke lang. I'm the joker boy. Where's the easiest? I like addition. Look, there's no more spoon. Oh, volcanic. Oh my god. You said oh my gosh. I will not say oh my gosh. I'll say oh my god. No, that's almost a bad word. Yes, somebody say it. It's a bad word. It's not a bad word. In grade 1, someone tell me it is a bad word. Oh my god. Yeah, it is. Tell your teacher, Miss Miles. I know your teacher because I'm already Kata 2 and I know your teacher, Miss Miles. It's broken.
Is Miss Miles nice? Is she nice?
Yeah. Put the crush. No! It's not even my crush. No, the trash. I mean the trash. I mean the girlfriend.
Hey, no girlfriend, you're still young.
I said that. I just said the bed. Shut up. Eat the sugar powder.
Hmm?
I'm gonna eat a